So are we all the same? Are we on the same page here? Are we on the same page here? Can you run your summarize? So I need you to yes, the yesterday data sets. I need you to be on summary for the gold price and the pound. I need you to be on the summary. Need you all to be on the summary. Otherwise, nothing you are doing. That's what on it's probably going to be help. This going to be help. I want just to be quick as possible. Yes, my friend, please help him to recover. We all are we having summary? No, I will come to check. I will come to check. Please make sure that you can be able to repeat what we did yesterday. Otherwise, I need to show you how to forecast very easily. Right? If you finish to have, as long as you be on summary, let me know, please. Let me know. Yes, are we all have summary? Okay, let us run the Dikefura test for the unit rule test. So you're going to run using one lag. You need to run using one lag. So what are you seeing? Who can interpret this p value? Yes, please. We fade to.
Our science theory as unit.
Yes, which means we do have non-stationarity series. Yes, not units. Yes, unit roots means also non-stationarity. Yes, please. A question?
Need to differentiate.
Yes, please.
So the stationary.
Exactly. Can we try? Can we try to make a difference? Please generate. You are going to have this code. You need to generate in your command. Let me make it bigger. It's possible to make it bigger for you. Yeah, now it's bigger for you. Now it will be bigger for you. So please generate, but the code is here. The code is here. You can copy and just paste in your command. Can you just click enter? I will come to check. I don't want to see people with laptop, but without doing the exercise that we did yesterday. If you yes.
The software has already differentiated.
No, you need to first generate a difference. Yes, you need to. But it's possible also to So use the first difference wins better. But these are the traditional and simple way.
So,
Yes, please.
you need to put to differentiate the place for the stationary.
Yes.
If it's not stationary, you differentiate twice.
Twice, yes, exactly. Are we on the same page? Can we proceed? We can't proceed. Can I come to check? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. It's already defined. You have it. You are doing it multiple times. That's why we already have it. This one. This is the new difference in gold price. What happened? Oh. Keep proceeding. Keep proceeding.
Just
It's okay. Can we make a diff? Yes, please. There is no observation. Why? The same error as you are using this one is going to and just make a summary. Make it for you.
So my friend,
Great.
yeah, I'm doing this one, you 2 years, but even 2 years, even if it's 2 years, it's 1.5. But
That's why you need. So as long as you be coding, now continue running to be very flexible. And then remember to set
it doesn't.
TSS set dates. Yes. Okay, can we run the first? Can we run the first? Can we run the first? Yes.
it's not able to do the stationary.
Just you can just bring the laptop and see. Oh. Okay. Oh. So just first here again. You know where data is. Can you just bring your data again?
There's only texture.
While imports should be distribution. And then browse. And then the Excel one, where is there the Excel on the desktop? Is on the desktop. This one. Okay. Okay. Then you need to just select. You select all. Yes, up to the convert, yes. Can we land the first?
Copy and drop it.
Run the cute, yes. Now it's okay. So and then you can just label. Select here up to the summer. It works. Yes, it is working. Now you need to remove this one. And you need to remove the zero to be one last. Then select all.
Part of the beautiful.
Yes, this is the code. Yes. And then we can proceed. Yes. Can you generate? You can proceed by generating. Use this one.
Okay.
Can we proceed? Can we proceed with the first stationarity test? The first difference. So we need to select and then run again. Yes, please. No, it's not the same. Any question? Why? What's happening? It is not what it's not. It's not a copy. So I'll just make an extension.
I can bring a chair. Bring a chair. So, my investment is here that generate the money that is always differently. That's what I do.
Yes, please. kwiga gusubira mu hasi biyumvana I see as a business when I say it's class. And then now just get focusing Wikomerejeho hari amakuru atandatu yize ngo twatangire wikomerejeho byahita biteza ikibazo. Are we on the same? I need you to on board, your eyes on board, your eyes on board. Your eyes on board, please.
But that's one question. Keep doing that for everybody. I'm not saying the one for the point. The one for the service. What are you saying?
Tomorrow, please.
Yeah.
What do you know? I will not come each and every one and we repeat. I want to be faster, right? Because this is a repetition. Yesterday it was understandable to come one by one, but I will not repeat. Please, I don't go.
Very many.
I'm sure this is the same thing you're for. But it is the same you're very super. You just take your time. If you have a personal laptop, you take your time and do it. You can't just be the back.
I keep it there. You keep it so that when you do the thing, there's something wrong.
Just copy it, and place the code somewhere. That's how I would do it. So tomorrow, when I repatch.
Can we run the Philip Felon? Please check here in the code. We are going to type PP ELO gold underscore price. So I have seen that you since you're running codes from the group file, you are not getting sense of it. So let us just type each and every code. Let me just change the way of using do file because maybe I thought you stimulate to the reality, but let us use the command all the time for you to catch up. Otherwise, running the do file, you will not get the sense of what the code means. So let us taste. So let me just put a star. We are going to test. Don't type this. I'm just giving you what we are the next step to test the unit root test using Philip Felon. Philip Felon. So these are the comments, right? So you need to type PP, the code E double R O N, and then you just put your variable. What is our variable? Gold only, gold underscore price. And then enter. Can we interpret our p-value? So the p-value, let me just put in percent, is 99%. Greater than 5%. What would be the interpretation? So we fade to reject the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis H naught, which means our series, the series is not stationary. Are we on the same page? Now the code is very simple. We are going to type. You need to use this pelon only. Can we make autocorrelation function? We are going test the autocorrelation. Why are we testing autocorrelation? We want to look at the error, the correlation between errors, right? Autocorrelation, yes. So the code will be, just follow the code AC. It should be possible to be seated there, right? Here. You guys, can you just see the place? Place? Yes. Very beneficial for you. It will be very beneficial for you. Very beneficial for you. Otherwise, you'll be lagging. Just I'm advising you. But if you want to stay there, you can stay there. But don't call me. Yeah. Okay. So we are going to test for the autocorrelation, right? So if you want, you can just go. If you want, you can just sit with your machine. I can just help you to reconnect.
Sit here.
Oh, let me see. See? Or you can also see. Sit here, but the laptop will be looking at your eyes will be looking at white. Okay. Yeah. Can we have autocorrelation? The command for the autocorrelation will be AC. A stands for auto. C stands for correlation. And then can we just put our gold price underscore price. We'll be having these results. Yes, please. There is no essential for putting lag. That's why I'm not copying. I just want to give you hints. Short code that can make the work for you. Very easy. Now we are no longer using this do file. We're just going to use our own code. Can we learn the partial correlation? Partial correlations? Why do we need to run for the partial autocorrelation? We want to see the derivative of our error term, how it will be looking like. The change in our autocorrelation, how it will be looking like. So it will be PAC. P stand for partial, right? A stand for autocorrelation. C. PAC gold price, underscore gold price. So now, are we having my partial? Are we having my partial? Like this one. It's a change. Are we on the same page? Now, let us test the different ARIMA. We are going to test a different ARIMA. Yes, and assured, it's a repetition. It's a repetition. If you are lost, okay, now because you are looking for the board as well, you want to run the comments. Okay, let me just help you. First of all, just type space the goes up to value.
On this one?
Still one. Then you need also to type for the partial. PAC, and then gold price. Yes, please. Yes, please. Why is it not working?
One here.
Time. You don't have time now. Yes, am I right again? You didn't. Yes, are we on the same page, please? Can we just type ARIMA? ARIMA. ARIMA. Gold price underscore price. And then ARIMA again. 1 0 1 no 0 0 0. We are starting from 0 0. At least please type that code in your command. I will just explain after. ARIMA gold price, comma ARIMA bracket 0 0.
There was no working answer, it worked.
I think my husband, if you don't enter my husband,
We all having the code in the command?
Yes.
Can you just
click enter.
yes, enter, yes, please.
I've never selected enter.
You okay, what is your result? What is your result? Is it similar like the one of mine?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Because you can't just extend zero, comma zero. Oh. So the 0, 0, let me just come back to the 0, 0. I'm telling Stata that I'm running the ARIMA. ARIMA stands for autoregressive moving average. So the I stand for integrated, autoregressive integrated moving average.
Wow.
So it means I have three points. Auto. So for our auto, we are having 0. And for the integrated, we are having also 0. And for the moving average, also we are having 0. That's why let us check for. Okay, let us check the information criteria for this model. Can we check for the information criteria for this model? It will be Easter IC. Easter IC. Easter IC. To display the information criteria. Exactly what happened.
Okay, that's now I'm not asking you are just going to Okay, now you can answer.
Can you just hint enter? Hint enter? Hint enter, please. Yes, please. Are we all having the same result?
Yes.
Zero, 0, 0, triple 0. But you need to count, right? Please. Please check your AIC and BIC. Check your AIC and BIC. So are we having 1,000? Okay, 12,679. Can you just record somewhere? Can you just record somewhere with your pen? Please record somewhere. Let me just record in the comments. It is 0. Let me just record here. For me, I will just record here in command. For a model of 0, 0, 0 brackets, we have an AIC. So AIC stands for archaic information criteria, right? So we are having archaic information criteria of 12,679, right? Okay, can we just do another command? So that is my comment. This is my comment. I'm just keeping here, but you have written somewhere on the notes. Yes. Oh no, not whatever you want. You need to just type, or you can write for the model of 000. The archive is 12,000. Okay, let us. Can we just copy this code again? The one that I highlighted. Copy and then paste down, please. Are we copying the code? And then just paste in the command?
Why are you saying adding we have to depot 00 and sticky? Here we have to we have the 0, 1 over 2.
We are just checking. Just checking the model that we will be having the smallest archive information.
That's the reason why you take it.
Yes. We start from 000, and now we are going to change from 0, 1, 0, and then check again 1, 1, 0, then 1, 1, 1.
So what are we not
So
checking?
you can get the logic that I'm
So what are we
shifting
not
to.
also taking the Bayesian?
No, let us take the archive. The archive is very essential one. Archive. Can we just change our 0 to be 1? The middle 0? The 0 with the 0 in the middle, you can change it to be 1.
Yes.
Okay, you'll be having the model. Can we learn our archaic ST, A star, IC? After running the model, right? After running the model, please type A star IC. Okay. So, who can tell me the archaic information are we having for the new model? 6,560. Okay. Now we are going to note in our notebook for the model 0 brackets 1 0. Yes, I'm coming. Archaic information will be equal to 6,560. Can I come to check? I hope we all have the same value. 6,000.
Yes. Yes. Just
That one actually use your one.
Yes. Are you on the same page? Yes, sir. Can we repeat again? Can we repeat a new one? Let us repeat another one. Just come in and copy here, folks. Class. Newcomers, please don't make the class shouting. Newcomers, don't make the class shouting. Copy and then paste. Okay. Can we change our ARIMA to be 1? Hello. So I have changed. 1, 1, 0. Are we together? Are we having the same code?
Yes.
Are we having the same code? Okay. We are doing faster. Enter. So then try to test for the archaic information. You are lagging? You are lagging. So if you just type enter after running this mode, you can just type Easter IC. It's 110. And then can we record our yes? Who can see the difference? Our archaic information is 562. Let us record somewhere for okay. For our third model with 1110, the archaic is 562. Can we proceed? Can we proceed to the fourth model? We need to come and then copy the codes here and then paste and then change to, and then now here we are starting with 0 and starts here from 1. Who can let me know why in the middle we are still remaining with 1? Why in the middle we are still remaining with 1? Who can discover the reason why in the middle we are still having 1? Because our gold price is not stationary at level. Because the gold price at stationary is not stable, is not stationary. That's why we still keep 1 in the middle, right? Otherwise, if it was stationary, we should have put 0. But because the gold price is not stationary at level, we are keeping 1 in the middle. We are no longer changing 1 in the middle. Okay. Can we just put enter? And then can we look at the archaic information criteria? A star, IC, and then enter. Can you see the difference?
No difference.
There is no difference. Okay, so we are going to record the fourth model as the similar like the third one. It will be having the similar IC like the third one because our IC, archaic information criteria, is having the similar result like the third model. So this is model 1, model 1, model 2, model 3. This is model 4. Model 4. Okay. Can we run model 5? So now we need to copy the previous one and then change only. And then change. Puts where we start with 0, we are going to start with 1. Who can let me know 1, 1, what does it stand for? It means I have one lag for the autoregressive, one lag for the moving average, and then I'm still integrating with other one. So it means I'm looking at my gold price of yesterday and my stochastic or stocks of yesterday, and also make a difference of my gold price to influence today's gold price. If I'm supposed to write in terms of notepad, how will I write this one? How can I write the fifth model? Let me see. What is my pen? Is my pen? Yes, alpha notes. Coming to you. It will be like this one. It will be like this one. The 111. It will be that my lag is 1, my change is 1, and my error time is 1. That's how my model will be looking like. Yes, please.
We add the last.
Yes, please. We did it at the first stage. Let me just bring the results. Please, class, your colleague is asking a good question to know that the series is suffering from stationarity. We test the golds by fast difference, and we found that the p-value was higher than 5%. And then we prefer now to test it at fast difference, and then the p-value here was less than 0. So it became stationary for the fast difference, but at level it wasn't stationary. Okay. Yes, please.
Therefore, one is it's not the same. Now I have a question.
Why don't you use the president?
110. No, this is
Change on the argument. Change on the
Yes. I'm just copy and paste. Yes, correct. It's a typo. Let me just collect here. It will be 1. Oh, here it will be 0. Right? Yes. Eloic.
So we've said that the fact that we keep the integration 1 is because the gold price is not stationary.
Yes.
Now the question is, when we run the arena, do we consider the first differentiation of the level?
So we do both. We did first by we did the first we did the unit root for level. We find that the gold price was not stationary, and we did the first difference. It's where it becomes stationary. That's why we are going to prefer using 1, because it shows to be stationary once there is 1 in the middle, right?
Yes, the thing is, when
okay, you need to follow all this there. You need to follow.
Now, my question is, because we know that we keep 1 because the gold price is not stationary, that we checked for the first difference and we saw that it is stationary.
Yes.
Now, when we run the ARIMA, so does it mean that we consider only the level?
Yes, the level.
So why?
No. We consider the difference. We consider the difference. So the reason why I start with the level, just keep it here, I was trying to see the archaic. So because of there is higher, it's not stationary. You can see also the archaic is a bit bigger, complex. So, but once you consider 1, the archaic is being normalized.
So up there, I think it's when We have personal differentiation when we have zero.
Yes, zero at level.
Yes.
So now here, the model is still suffering this non-stationarity, but here the model is no longer suffering the non-stationarity. It is stationary, and then the second one is stationary. The third one, the fourth one is also stationary, but this first one is suffering from stationarity. The first one is suffering from stationarity because we are still at level zero. You get?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
No, I don't.
Oh,
Actually,
so
no.
the zero stand for at level, and then we found that at level, the city is suffering non-stationarity.
Yes, so this is what we found. We found that at level, the series is non-stationary.
Yes, yes.
And it's only first difference that the series is stationary.
Yes.
So it's like it means that when we run first for this one, it's at level. The first one is at level, and it shows non-stationarity. But the problem is this one is small. And if we take this value, it means that the model is not non-stationary.
Yeah, it will not be stationary.
Because we are going to compare, we are going to take the smallest.
The smallest one.
But the smallest is non-stationary. Now that's
no, the smallest is this one. No, the smallest is this one.
So we don't consider the one up there.
Yeah, the first one is not feasible. It's not feasible. It's not preferable. Even also this one is even though it's stationary, but it's still with high archaic information. The other one also it's having the high archaic information. Even though there is stationarity, but we are looking at the smallest one with small archaic. So that's what we are still gauging, searching for. So can we run the fifth model? So let us run the fifth model 111. Just make enter and then make Easter eyes for the archaic information. Are we together? Just don't be lost. Don't be lost. I'm just running. I see. Can we record? Who can let me know the archaic information criteria? Archaic information criteria. Archaic information criteria is equal to this slide. For the fifth model, it will be 80.
Archaic.
Yes, it's archaic.
It's just like so.
Oh, yes. Correct. 60. 563, yes. Can we make the sixth model? So the reason why I'm keeping changing, I want you to understand the reason behind of making this model. We keep looking whether we can have the smaller type. Because now for the fifth model, the second model is still the best. Up to the fifth model, the second model is still the best.
The fifth model should be 011.
No, yes, it should be 111.
111.
Yes. This is one. Yes, this is what we have run. 111. So it is giving this archive of 65, 63. Can we just copy our fifth model and then change? So run. Can we change to have two lag for the autoregressive and two lag for the moving average, and then enter. And then therefore we can just estimate ST IC. It's 2 to 2. The sixth model, for the sixth model it will be. Any question? Any question, please? Are we together? Once we come to check, hope I will not be surprised. It will be 2 and 2. What will be my archaic information? 6, 5, 6, 3. It's the same. Okay, that's good.
So, sir,
Yes, please.
when you have the same,
Hmm?
when you have the same attachment,
Mm-hmm.
so does it mean that the ARIMA is equal to the moving average?
When we are having the same archaic?
Because in the
No, no, no,
first
no,
second model,
no. It means whatever we can just put many lags, as long as we are going further, there is no improvement for the archaic information preserved.
so the first one we don't consider the moving average.
Yes. It means like gold price, the gold price of today we are on Wednesday, Tuesday. We are Tuesday today. It means the gold price for Friday is not bringing any improvements for our archaic information.
But
Even though we still, yes, I'm coming. Even though we still regarding to even yesterday gold price, the archaic information is not keeping changing. Right? Let me. I'm coming. Yes.
so when we look at the second,
Mm-hmm.
in the third and the fourth model,
Mm-hmm.
in the second we have
63.
this is the one with zero moving average.
Yes.
In the fourth we have zero moving average and zero regressive.
No. The fourth. Yes, the fourth. The fourth. Zero moving, zero autoregressive.
Yes,
Mhm.
one moving average.
Yes.
So does it mean that both have the same effect because we have the same archaic information?
So you're comparing which model?
I'm comparing the third model and the fourth model because it gives the same thing.
Your colleague is asking a good question. He's comparing the third model and the fourth model. Both are having the same archaic information, but with different direction in terms of archaic and no, the autoregressive and moving average. So it means though we are starting with what's happened yesterday for the gold price or what's happened from the shock of yesterday, we are still having the same archaic information. Yes. Yes. It's possible. It's okay. It means yesterday shocks and yesterday's gold price is still giving the same archaic information we tell you. That's what it means. Is your question?
But if we already have the small as well, we still
Yes.
generating new models.
Please forget the codes.
So,
Do what we are doing now. Yeah.
if we are looking for the smallest,
Sorry. Don't consider. Don't consider. We want to look at the big difference is in the digits, not the dots. Yes, please.
so since we already have model 2 is the smallest, why are we still generating new models?
Just for teaching.
Okay. You can also run up to 20 models as long as you still keep looking at whether you have a small attack information. Okay, for these education purposes, which best model are we having? Can we select the best model?
For the 2,
So the model 2, the model 2, the model 3 is the best.
2,
The model 3 is correct.
3 or 2?
One, model 3.
Who agree with model 3 to be correct? Who agree with model 5 to be correct? Who agree with model 2? Why?
The lowest.
Because it is with the lowest archaic information criteria. Model 2 is the best because it is giving the lowest IC archaic information criteria of 6 years. Okay, the first step for forecasting. Now we have started the step to forecast. Steps to forecast. I'm just putting it in comments. Step forecasting. So the first step will be, let me just put a comment. One, run the model and then store it. We need to run and then store it, the results. So now, which model are we going to run? The best model. The best model, it's what we are going to run. So best model is to, who remember to run it? It's Arima, gold price, comma, Arima, 0110 brackets. Please hope we are on the same page. Please hope we are on the same page. My colleagues, are we on the same page? Where are you lost? Where are you lost? Forecasting? Can you let your... Are you lost? You are not lost. No, Stephen, that gets delayed.
Lecture, not more than 2 hours. You're going to press fast. Yes, the way that it unfolds very much. Quick. You have to know your window. I'm going to change this. In my head. How to speak like this? You go
Mama nazungumza
Yes, yes, I remember.
So to get the price of gold, it you don't have much of now, what we can do is to look at the price of yesterday, to look at the shock. Now, the price of yesterday is auto regressive AR. Now, the price of the shocks of the stochastic is MA, moving up. We are looking, we want to forecast the price of gold. We only have gold. We don't have other variables. We only have gold.
So you have to pass through the price.
Today's price. Yes. Whether you can forecast using yesterday, which is regressive, Apple, AR, and all we can use the shocks. The shock of yesterday. The shocks of yesterday. The shocks of yesterday, which is moving average or M8. So you already have the AR, okay? You have the AR, and you also have the M8. Now the I is whether we bring it in first differentiation, whether we use level, first differentiation, second differentiation. In this case, at level it was not stationary. Okay? And when it is not stationary, we cannot predict it because the prices are. So we have to run the first difference. When we run the first difference, we found out that it is now stationary. It means that in our ARIMA we have to consider first difference. So it will be AR1 because we run the first one, MA. You understand? So now when we are going to test, because we are trying to predict, when we are going to use whether the price of yesterday or the shock of yesterday, we have to consider the first thing, that's this level, like the price of gold is stationary. Now, this is actually what we do. Now, for the first model, we tested without no at the level. See, the model one at the level without considering the price of yesterday, without considering the shock. You see that the archive. So the information on criterion it gives us actually the significance of the model. Information criterion. So the archive is the best in determining whether the model whether the predictor. Now, in the first model, do not even consider that the model is stationary.
Please.
First difference. So
Can we just run our model and then keep it? How can we keep it, the model? How can we keep the model? Who remember to keep the model? Please, can we just keep the model? Store the model? How do we store the model? It's not working. How can we keep the model?
Go to the 66,000.
So the next model we consider the price of yesterday.
We can say,
Price difference, but we don't
please
consider the shocks.
store
For the
And now
Store as model one.
this one
Is it possible?
one
So the best zone is the one that we don't consider as the price in the shop. Just consider the first difference.
Or let us omit to not storing. Let us predict the second step. Can we predict the residue? Predict
now predict
my can we predict the residue?
now
Predict error, comma residue. Please type predict after running the model. Please type predict error residue. Are we on the same page? So now we have create our residue. Can we summarize? Can we summarize our residue? No, our error, sorry. It will be is there any volatility, higher volatility? Yes.
animation again.
Okay. Okay, let us run a line. Can we just plot a line? ST line error to plot our residue.
Here.
Yes, please.
Yes.
ST, it's like, okay, time series line.
It's line.
Yes, TS line. Yes, error. Yes, please.
What is S? So ST.
TS line. Yes, you need to look at the code. Please. Okay, I will see you. Y line, and then just copy your mean, the mean which is here, and then put in the middle bracket into the bracket.
What are you looking for?
Put your mean. Yes, we are looking at we want to check. We want to plot our mean for summary errors. Enter. You'll be having your line. We'll be having a line like this one. So who can interpret this result? It means as long as our mean is moving, but it is a bit stable. It is a bit stable with the same mean. It's a white noise. It's a white. This is an indicator of a white noise. Because our mean, even though our errors are changing, but they are having a constant mean. So our means are white noise, graphically. Let me just can we repeat? Oh, are we having the same graph? Okay. Okay. We can also do with analysis using ANW white noise test, which is called NWWN tests Q error white noise test. So now our probability is higher with 90%. Let us interpret. Night hypothesis saying is stated to be the series. So what we are doing is this one. What we are doing here is this one. Let me just help you. Let me just help you to understand what we are doing. So our night hypothesis is saying the residues are white noise. If the p-value is greater than 5%, so we are going to try to reject our 900. We will be trying to reject our 900. Are we the same thing? So let us run the test and see. We have run the tests. We have run the tests. We have run the tests, and then our p-value is higher than 5%. So that means that our series are not suffering from a serial correlation, no autocorrelated in our series. So we are confirming by graph, but also by test. Are we on the same page? Yes.
So, when we have 0 point, when the probability is 0.99, it means
It means we fail to reject.
yes.
We are failing to reject, and then we maintain the alternative.
So our residual is white noise.
Yes, which means they are not serial correlated. Do you remember the properties of white noise?
Yes, we do.
The mean. So the mean should be
The mean should be
the white noise property. Means are not the expected xt is equal to parameter, the variance of our xt is equal to sigma, and the covariance, the curve of our error term versus -1 is giving a 0. This is what we learn for the white noise characteristic. Our xt is equal to mu, parameter over time. The variance should be, its variance should be sigma, and the covariance should be the covariance of error term of yesterday, yesterday comparing of today is 0. There is no correlation, right? That's why we are having this plot. That's why we are having these plots. It means their mean is stable. Their covariance, the variations are bit stable, and the previous information is not correlating with today's information. I'm coming. That's fine. Today I have a lot of things to teach you. That's why I'm rushing. I haven't omit your observation, but I will just, after forecasting, we're just going to back on that, because my target is to forecast. Otherwise, I will not hear your question. Oh yes, please.
Yes, the question is the relevance of residual being white noise to the prediction of our model. Is it relevant that residual is white noise to the prediction of our model?
Your colleague is asking a good question. It is very relevant to check all assumption whether it is in line. Okay, who can remind me the assumption? you won't? Okay, let us remind ourselves the assumption.
So the thing is, here we don't have, like, for example, we cannot test the correlation here.
Okay.
So
can we remind ourselves the assumption? For forecasting, we need to have our parameter should be linearly, right? Second, please. Multicollinearity. But for the univariate, it's not working for the multicollinearity.
There is no.
The third assumption, heteroscedastic. We can see in the white noise that the variances are stable. The third one, the fourth one,
serial correlation.
Serial correlation. The white noise is stable. The fifth one, normality test for the error term. The sixth one, endogeneity. But here we are not suffering from endogeneity, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why we are testing. The last one is stationarity. Remember the stationarity. We test for the gold price stationarity. That's why we are using one. That's why we are using one. Okay. Can we test whether the series are stationary? A star, A root. We want to test whether our series is stationary because you have just run the model, right? Mm-hmm. Can we make it, please? It can't. A star. Why it's not working? Oh, because you have 0, 0 for both sides, that's why it can't be tested. Because you have 0 and 0, that's why this code it can't be working. The model doesn't contain ARMA and AR terms. Okay, let us, can we just, how many observations that we want to forecast? How many observations do you want to forecast? Is 4 months. No, 3 months.
3 months here.
Yes, 3?
It's 3 months.
Yes, 3 months here, yes. How many days in 3 months?
Yeah, like this.
Yes,
Yeah, that's it.
90. Okay.
And
Can we check whether our data says the five observation? Let us check on dates. We have 27, 30. First, 1. So it means our information is it coming from, let me see, let us check the last one and see. We end on 26. Can you see that the observation that we are holding is 5 days? Because we shift from 23rd to 26. 23rd to 26.
No, sure.
It's 5 days. We are shifting from 90, 20, 21, 22nd, 23rd. And then we are shifting to 26. So it means Friday we were on 23rd. Monday we are on 26. So it means that our observation is 5 days. 5 days.
5 days a week.
Yes. And then we want to forecast up to 1st April. How are we going how are we going to count the days?
We consider
How are you going to count the days? Okay. How many weeks are in 90 days? Okay, how many weeks are in 3 months? 12. 12 times 5. 60. Okay, perfect. Can we add 6 plus 5 days for the first week of April? Yes, we can add 5 days. Let us forecast for 70 days. 1 week to end up to Feb, and then 1 week for the April, right? We are going to use 70 days. So let us type. Can we type TS time series append? Append, comma, add 70 days.
Oh, am I? Oh.
things like that.
So if we just click enter and then browse and then see the extension. So you can see there is an extension up to 6 April. There is an extension up to 6 April.
How did you calculate?
We have increased our time series to 6 April.
Ah. And you don't understand how you calculate. Let's go first.
You want to forecast until April, right?
So you'll be buying direction around
Feb,
buying
March,
direction
April.
around the
Now we are in Jan.
Yeah.
Jan.
Okay, April is very March, April.
I want to make it to be business. Not
How many days? How many weeks?
3 months.
Yeah.
2 months.
12 weeks. You're taking 5 days. So,
Times 5.
so it's 60 days.
Oh, okay, so you'll be
And
short.
we add
Oh, you buy
the
a
remaining
direction,
days
not a beer. It's a chocolate.
to end January.
It's a chocolate. Check down. Do you have 6 April? Oh, okay. Can we confirm that you have 6 April?
For 5 days to end January and another 5 days to begin. It's 5 you have to slow. This 5 you have to start slow.
Okay, but we said 70 days. What?
The money is it should be 60 days. But he wants to end January.
And the 30 is 26.
You want to end January. You want to take the first week in April. Yeah, it will not be up to April.
And January. It was 26.
Don't see a problem.
26, 27.
Yeah.
27, 28,
I'm coming.
29, 29,
It's 27, the 8th, 9, 30. We are already on the baby now.
31 is 5 days.
Yeah.
What about the reserve 5?
The other 5 is the first week in April.
Hey.
Yeah.
Please.
One you already said. How many days did you put?
Okay, our starting point will be. Please, our starting point will be. Oui.
You say what? It is what? You may even check out this one.
This system is information to understand. Don't be no worries. At least you have the line the thing. Some abnormality can happen. Some abnormality can happen. Can we browse? Can we browse? Can we browse? Yes, let us browse. Can we browse? And then we need to start with this date by forecasting 26 January 2026. Okay, how are we going to make it? Our so you're going to type, please. Please. We need to type. We need to type predict. Please predict. Predict. Predict which variables are we having? We have FC forecast, gold price, underscore price, are we together? Comma, gold price, brackets, D, brackets, 2026.
Slower.
DT, okay, Q, D, D, 26 brackets. We need to put M 26 M1 D26. So I'm worried to have a worse result.
Two parentheses.
Yes, two parentheses. No, it's one. Yes, two parentheses.
Enter.
I'm doubting to have an error. So I'm doubting. Let me just copy. So what is happening? This is Y. Let me just put Y. Y. Like I should do the same. Let me just here to add dynamic. Why the price is not founded? Let me just test for the code. So I want here to change Y. It's now coming. It's now coming.
So is that the
I'm coming to you.
So, sir, if we predict, it will predict the price of each day up to April.
Yes. Yeah.
It will be accurate. So, if you predict this price, is there due to the market forces, is there any reason that it cannot be the same
Should be the same.
due to the market forces?
Yes. Should be the same. Should be the same. Let me see.
So, if we are doing it, so you can do it for any market basket. That's what you're saying. You can do it for every market basket.
Yeah, it should be. Should be. Let me just see one thing. Let us use the code. Let us use the code. Predict F, a new variable, right? F gold dynamic TD 26, the last day, right? 26 January 2026, and then brackets Y. So can we hit enter and then let us browse? Oh, you need to have the code. This code. Can you see? Can you see? Okay.
Yeah, there's nothing showing up.
There is nothing.
Yeah.
No. Look at. Look at. Why it's not giving anything? Let me see. Let me browse. Yeah. No worries. No worries.
Just drive around the structure. I don't think that's pretty so. He's gonna get you put virus in the computer.
You are the fake guy. Yeah. I can see the reason why it's not valuable. I can see. Let us drop. 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 Okay. F gold. And then run again. But this Y should come here in front, not out front. Then C.
So in my software, whenever I'm tapping the Parado code, it erases the rest of them.
What?
Yeah, if I tap into the answer.
It's giving you the same.
Um,
It's giving you this one.
that's all.
Mhm. Okay. Let me see.
It's on it. It's on it. Hold up, like e-view, SPSS, and stuff. Yeah, don't let me stuff the bottom.
Yes, please. Can we plot our F gold against the gold price and see the evolution? Can we plot the normal and even also the forecasts? Let us type T S line.
But now, is it okay?
Yes, it's okay. It's okay. With gold price.
So shall we run the predict code first?
Yeah, no worries. Yes.
Hmm?
Against, because as long as you have learned this one, no worries. It's okay. It's the same. And then against the gold F gold price. Then C. So now you can see our normal gold price. Our normal gold price versus the predicted, we try to be overfitting. Can you see what's within? We are almost overfitting. We forecast, but we are almost overfitting our model, right? The way we are forecasting, it's like we are overfitting our gold prices. So now, yes,
How
please.
come it's on?
How come it's overfitting? You can see the blue is no longer, you can't see the blue, you are seeing the red only. It's like overfitting our model, right? Okay. So after running, yes, please. Yes, please. Can we just type sleep? Yes, sleep like 200. And then browse again. So after sleeping, can we predict our standard confidence? Predict. Please predict. Predict F standard deviation, and then type MSE, mean standard error. Mean standard error. So can we browse? So we are just making our standard error, right? Yes, please. Can we generate our confidence level? Yes. The last one, the browse. No. This one, predict FC. Yes. Yes, please. You need my help? Let me just come. Let me just come. Yes. Yes.
So it's showing on the graph.
Yeah, this is the final one. Predicted. We no longer forecast. We did a rolling forecast. It's a rolling forecast. We no longer need to continue forecasting. We can just end like that. So we want to see that we can be able to at least to make a rolling.
But my question was, the forecasting we were doing, we were using like yesterday price to determine today, right?
Yeah.
So and then in the browse, we stop at the 26th.
Yes.
So the 70 days that we created, you said details should have been there, right?
Yeah, it should be. But the issue was this one. Stata can make it. Can't make it. Maybe in English you can make it. But you see, like the 27 observation, it can be forecasted.
Which date is that?
Today can forecast today only, but it can't go for it can't go for the 6th April. Theta.
So can we like use the standard deviation to determine?
Yeah, that's what I used. One. Determine this one was the standard deviation. Take it, this plus the standard deviation.
We will get this one.
Yes.
So I mean, if we can just continue adding the standard deviation until
Yeah, exactly. That's because our time is rushing. So I want we can just start collecting topics. And we can just see whether Friday we can just repeat for you to do the final one. We can just keep it here and then start correcting the recitation. The assignment. Can we collect the assignment, the presentation? Can we collect the proposal one?
So the fact that it's repeated, is it still good? When we predicted the forecast road in with the previous one, we said that the money will
These are a few things. That we're going to repeat on Friday. I want to, at least we can just start with the proposal. Please. Let me give you comment on the proposal assignment. Let me give you comments on the proposal assignment. My first comment, please hear to me. The topic is all about exchange rate. exchange rate, volatility. It's an exchange rate volatility. The proposal, I'm missing the title. My first comment here, please. My first comment here, I'm missing the. I'm missing.
Junior,
We are missing.
Last draft. Everything is on.
So this proposal, please. This proposal is missing the title. The title. Can we check for the model for this topic? The model specification towards the growth y and so economic growth, exchange rate volatility, trade openness. Please, 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 I don't need you to shout, please. We have just left the break time. Can we just have a comment from your colleagues, one of your colleagues' proposal, and then we can see whether we can improve. Please, 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 don't shout, don't shout. It might be your topic. It might be your topic. It might be your topic. Please, let's have a comment, a common topic, a common comments on this topic. First of all, this is an AI proposal. This is an AI proposal. I can really still tell you that it is an AI proposal. One of the indicator. If you so these things, the line. So if you have this line in your proposal, I will just put a red curve. These are an AI results. These are an AI results. You didn't read. You just use ChatGPT. I can't see. This is a ChatGPT proposal. And then as long as ChatGPT, when ChatGPT is making you a proposal, it just also put some bullets. So I'm telling you, before submitting to your supervisor, maybe your supervisor can't detect it, but me, I can detect it. The reason why I'm detecting it because I know what AI can provide and what AI can't provide. Yes. So if I just make control find and then put this long slash, do you see this the small slashes? Okay, let me just put the long slashes for you. It's a long slashes. I can't find anything. Let me just put the small one. I will show you how AI is it looking like. So this slash, I don't need it. Read lead. Okay, let me see. There's another AI comment. So another AI comment is this one. Do you see how the heading is looking like? It is looking in a blue light. Blue light. It's another indicator of an AI. Copy paste AI. You are copying from AI. But it's not even an updated AI. It's a ChatGPT maybe version 3.5. It's not even ChatGPT version 5. Okay, if I want to also to look whether it's an AI, if I just click to your reference, let me see whether you have it in your reference, copy, and then find. So I can't even find it in the references. You don't have okay. I can't even find the topic.
It's down, sir.
It's down. Let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, that's good. That's good, but it's an AI, which is good. I accept. But my first comment is an AI, right?
So,
Yeah. Let me see another comment. Can you see on section 1, 2? 1, 2. 1, 1.2. One, two. So the significance of the study can't be a head. A head should be a normal head. Should be a normal head. This head it should be used for starting chapter 1, not for the subtitle. It should be like head 4, like this one. You can see. So don't use head 2. Head 2 is very broad for chapter 1. Like for the general introduction, you can see I'm in head 1, head 2. But this small one, you should put this background in head 3, at least head 3 or head 4, the smallest one. But this guy is missing the title. I should have the title. We should have this title. Should have the title like this one, right? Then the title should be in the middle. Proposal. Let me just make it bigger for him. Say the proposal, then put the space. Can it make it bigger? Bigger like this one. And put between the proposal, put between, and the author put between. So you can see at least the research proposal impact of the rates of volatility on the economic growth. What is our X? What is the X? The X is the exchange rate volatility on economic growth. Author, maybe you can just name. So I will not display the author, but it's good. At least he or she tried. But please remove this line to not showing that it's ChatGPT. You can just change the color to normal and then start making your header, right? How can I change the header to be black? The header can be black.
the column.
The color, yes, like this one.
So this one is the color is nice.
Yeah, color is okay. And then it all should be in time series, times New Roman. Okay, let me see. The color is not, it's not nice. Okay, let me just put time series. But the general introduction should not exceed at least 14. 14 maximum. Okay. Missing section 6. Research methodology. Let me see. Section 6. So you should also put the numbering. You should also put the numbering. You can see he or she doesn't have the numbering for the page. Should add the numbering by coming to page layout, and then you can just add numbering. Let me see the numbering. So okay, my word document is very old. Let me just I will see. I don't have any numbering. Yes, insert. Mm-hmm. Page.
Page number.
The page number, sir.
Page number here.
No, conf, yeah.
Yeah, yes, exactly. So it should be at the bottom.
Yeah.
Bottom, middle one. Oh, the last one. Oh, middle. Just put one. It should have numbering. So he's saying that the working the how can we see the period? How can we see the period he used? Hello? The period was 2000 from 2025. But can you see the mistake, common mistake that students are making? So here he's saying the scope is 80s to 2025. Is it possible to find the data set?
No.
So please make your scope to be where you think that your data set you can be able to retrieve the data set. Yeah. Please make your scope to be a variable. Otherwise you'll be missing. So I can propose to have like 2000
Yes, it's considerable.
years to be consistent.
How many years can we consider?
Oh, how many years can we consider for the time series?
How many years?
At least minimum 25. Minimum 25. For macro variable.
25 years?
Yes, if it is in terms of years, but if it is in terms of quarters, you can even also have 60 quarters. 60 quarters. Please, not listening.
Okay.
Check my card. Let
I
me
mixed the colors.
Oh, it's not acceptable. It's not acceptable.
Yeah, one or yeah.
Please. If it is years, don't go less than 25. If it is quarters, don't go below 60 quarters. If it is monthly, it's 120.
So it's 25 years at least.
25. Yes, 25 years at least, 4 years. If you're using quarters, please don't shout, please.
So you talk about the macro only for macro, but now for micro.
For micro, don't depend on time. It's very easy.
But if we don't have like 25 years, for example, the exchange rate.
Yes.
I don't know if the exchange rate of Rwanda is up to 25 years.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm lost on your question.
Wait.
Your question.
Yeah, my question is about if we don't have 25 years, what do we do now? We change the topic.
Change the topic?
If we don't have 25 years of data.
If you don't have 25 years, you can change to quarters. If you don't have 25 years, you can change your data set to be quarter. That is the only trick. If you have maybe 10 years, you can change in quarters to how many observations are we going to have? If you have 10 years, how many quarters are we having? 10 times 4.
40.
Yes, that's 40 quarters. So now you are free to work, right? Otherwise, it will not be possible. It's a trick. If you have less observation in terms of years, you can just change into quarters. And then please observe on YouTube, there is how you can change You can change quarters, no, years to quarters using EViews. There is a YouTube videos where you can change years to quarters. Okay, it's a hint.
Oh, it's
Yes, it's better. But remove the logo. Remove for the yes for the proposal anyone else draft. Remove the logo as long as not being acceptable. As long as you haven't yet defined, remove the logo. Please don't use the logo. Don't use here logo in your proposal and even also in
because
your
it is
draft
your
thesis dissertation. Don't use the logo. Here logo.
it's not for them.
As long as that it's not being confirmed for the library, don't use the logo. Yerka is not on your behalf to accept your draft. So you need to wait. You need to wait till the Yerka is confirming your full submission to library. As long as you are still dealing with the draft proposal, the defending, don't use the Yerka logo.
I'm not going by it, man. So what is that?
I'll show you. I'll show you. Let me just help you. Your colleague is asking this header, like this one. This header of I tariq is not acceptable. I tariq is not acceptable. Use the header with no I tariq. I tariq, no non I tariq, non or maybe broadening it's acceptable, but not I tariq. The vertical one, but with times new one. Yes. Okay, let me just comment to the model.
The whole one should be time new record.
Let us comment to the model.
12.
Yes, please. Yes, should be.
Then you the font is
Can we check for the space?
font is 12.
Can we check for the space?
1.5.
It should be 1.5. The space. Okay, let us check the model. Who agree with this model? Please sit down. Please don't discuss. Can you pause? Maybe it might your topic, or it might your colleague's topic. So once you are disturbing, please don't get in words on the all right. Okay. You can see. Please, you can see it. What is the issue in this model? What is the issue in this model? So first of all, this is a model from ChatGPT. He didn't type. He should type. Yeah, it's a model from ChatGPT. Let me show you the perfect model. Let me show you the perfect model, not from ChatGPT. The perfect model should be looking like this one.
Like that's it.
Yes, like this one. But me, I accept to have the ChatGPT. But if you want to type your world model, please use mathematics model. He missed to mention the endogeneity issue, right? And then he also missed to put the ALDL lag. It should be he was supposed to put the lag. He was supposed to put the lag, ALDL lag. That is the two comments. Missed to put that the model is suffering from endogeneity. Why? Money supply can affect the GDP, but also the GDP can affect the money supply. We are getting free. So how can he write this model using mathematics? You need to come to insert equation. And now he can type the equation. Please look at how you can type the equation. So GDP down put time equal to, you need to type again the slope beta, with beta capital, small capital, 0 equal to, you can copy the slope, the intercept, sorry, and then change one, like this one, and then type xp, xv. Can please class Sepe. Sepe, I need five students who are disturbing. I will be punishing them seriously. Seriously. I will punish them students. We are still in class. Please. Don't disturb. Don't disturb. We are giving your colleagues comments and then you are disturbing. I'm not supposed to give you hints, but I'm giving hints to at least to not although they shall all swelling, sweezing. Okay. Yes, please. Can we? Okay, let us check the data set.
I have a question.
No. Let me just go faster, right? His data set was like this one, which is good. Maybe he uses, or he or she used the simulation. A next student, he uses simulation to find the data set. So what he gonna make, he's going to copy the data sets. Please, I don't need you to disturb. I don't need you to disturb. He's gonna use, or an ex student, he's gonna use a software to start he or she's analysis, and then he's gonna to bring into a stata, paste as the first variable. Now you'll be having the variable in stata, browse. Now the data set will be in stata. All right, you can summarize. There is no issue, right? You can regress air. Okay, test for stationarity for all the variables. Test for the stationarity for all the variables. DK Fuller, G, D. So you need first of all to set the time, and then do the DK Fuller for all the variable. So you can see that the GDP is not stationary. Let us look at the exchange rate is not also stationary. Even also the money supply import, sorry, it's an import. Yes, import. And then he can also check for the M3. Not stationary. DK Fuller. Do you see? Not stationary. All the variables are not stationary.
No, so that one, it is. Zero point is one.
Are you sure? It's true.
It's less than 5%.
Oh, it's zero. It's stationary? Yeah. Okay, let me see. Graph. No, line. Top. Yeah. Is this variable stationary? I'm doubting. I'm doubting.
So let's look at the p value.
Let me see. 0.1. Okay, let us use Pelon. Same. Yes, please. Oh, you want me to check in? Yes, to me.
So tomorrow is in the morning. You have class in the morning? It's a morning. Shower.
Morning, because we need to study all the days in the morning.
The remaining days?
We are going to use the morning. We're going to use the morning till Friday.
So we have exam on
Oh, except
Thursday, there's no class.
there is an exam, but I will have the class evening.
Wow, so happy.
Just
So why you change Saturday?
because I'm available, yes.
So you rest the whole day.
Yeah.
You need the rest, yeah.
No, if you are ready to study at least some morning. Some students, I discover some students like money.
We are night owls. We are night owls. Don't like morning. Not for econometrics. Not anymore. With too much noise around.
So it'll be too much noise.
Okay, if one variable is stationary, we are going to use ALDL. We're going to use the ALDL. So this is one.
Why can't you revise it? Why can't you revise it?
So we can end by here. So tomorrow we are going to have class morning. I will be available. Because I want to let you having your day to be prepared for the next exam. So if we had a night, I will miss you. I will miss you.
We have class in the morning.
We can have class in the morning and then we end by 12. You can just revise.
Yes.
Thank
you.
Because it's okay. Then Thursday, night, you can shift in night, and then Friday morning, right? Possible?
You gave us the day off on Thursday. Thursday day off.
You don't want to end.
No, we
I want to give you the tips for you all the topics. This